Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
A diastema means a visible gap between your two front teeth measured in millimeters. Some gaps are small around 1.5 to 3.5 mm and others exceed 5 mm. You should assess cause first. Genetics, tooth size, or a tight frenulum can create the space. Treatment choices include orthodontics, composite bonding, porcelain veneers, or a surgical frenectomy. Each method has different costs and timelines. I will explain typical results, risks, and maintenance to help you choose confidently. Clear aligners can close gaps generally within 6 to 18 months, depending on severity and compliance. Fixed braces, metal or ceramic, can move teeth precisely and handle bite issues concurrently. Treatment duration commonly ranges from 6 to 24 months for most adult cases. After active treatment, you must wear a retainer nightly to prevent relapse of the space. Minor gaps under 3.5 mm respond faster, while larger diastemas may require longer or adjunctive procedures. Expect periodic visits every 4 to 8 weeks for adjustments and monitoring. Composite bonding can close small to moderate gaps in a single visit and costs roughly 0.0 to 0.0 per tooth. Porcelain veneers or crowns provide cosmetic durability and typically cost 0.0 to 500 per tooth depending on lab and materials. A frenectomy surgically removes restrictive tissue and is useful when a tight frenulum causes the diastema. Sometimes you combine frenectomy with orthodontics for best stability and aesthetics. Consider longevity, potential tooth alteration, and maintenance when choosing the cosmetic or surgical.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.